In this video, I'll show you how to access your router's admin page. So it's nice and straightforward. We just need to head over to our start menu and we need to search for CMD and then just click on the command prompt. Inside of this window, you need to type in ipconfig and hit enter. Then if we come down to the default gateway here, you'll see this number next to it. So this is the number that we're going to use to connect to our router's admin page. So you can see for me, it's 192.168.0.1. Now it might be slightly different for you. It might be something like .1.1 at the end. So just take note of this number here, and then we're going to head over to an internet browser, and then from the internet browser we're just going to go ahead and type this number, so 192.168.0.1, and hit enter. And congratulations, you'll now be on your router's admin page. If you're not sure what the username or password is for your router, then usually this will be located on the actual back of the router itself. You can see here, if I click this show me link for my router, this is where it's located on mine. And if the username and password's not located on your router, then you'll simply need to contact your network provider and get that information from them. And it's as simple as that, guys. That's how you connect to your router's admin page. If you did find this video useful, then please consider dropping a like and subscribing. Until next time.